Sooner or later in Star Citizen, your ship's components are going to take some damage, but how do you repair that? Well, let's have a look. So you've got three main ways of repairing your ship's components in Star Citizen. The first one is done from your pilot seat, and that's your auto repair button. So all you've got to do is press one button and let your ship systems do all the hard work for you. The downside is you can only do this once per component from your pilot seat, and also it'll only restore 20 HP to each component. So this is really an emergency measure only designed to get your ship back on its feet so you can get back to a hangar and get some full repairs from the station's services there. So that's the first way. The second way involves using a Cambio SRT, which comes in two flavours. You've either got the full-sized rifle version of the tool, that's the salvage and repair tool, and you've also got the handheld version, which is an attachment for the Pyro RYT multi-tool. You're going to need a Cambio light attachment for it. Now, whichever version you've got, you're going to need some filled canisters containing RMC, or recycled material composite, and each version of the tool takes a different type of canister, so make sure you've got the right one. If you need to buy some filled RMC canisters, you can typically get those from a place like Platinum Bay at a main space station. Do note that your canisters do need to be filled with RMC, so make sure you buy the right one. Now once you've got your filled canisters, you'll need to press I to open your inventory, then drag and drop the filled canister to your ammo belt, like that. Now take out the Cambio, and then you'll need to press R to reload the Cambio with the filled RMC canister. It might take a few tries, but if you keep pressing R, it should work eventually. Now that your Cambio SRT is loaded and ready to go, you'll need to go up to the damaged component in your ship, wherever that is. So if your ship has an engineering terminal, you can use that to help locate the damaged component, but not all ships have working engineering terminals right now. So if your ship doesn't have one, you'll have to make your way through the ship until you find the damaged component. Look for a marked compartment that says, for example, cooler, shields, power plant, or whatever, and then open the compartment to find the component inside. So once you've found the damaged component, you'll need to take the Cambio SRT and aim it at the component, and then press the right mouse button. Now what that's going to do is start the repair process. Don't pay too much attention to the text on the screen, since that's sometimes wrong. Just know that if the component is repairable, the Cambio will start repairing it when you press the right mouse button while it's aimed at the component. Now once the Cambio's done its thing, your component should now be back up to full strength. That's 100 HP, which of course is a lot better than just the standard auto repair you get from the pilot seat. Now what's also interesting is if you go back to your pilot seat now, not only will the component show as fully repaired, but the next time it takes damage, you'll be able to auto repair it again. Now I don't know if that's intentional in the current patch, it might change in a future patch, but yeah, right now it seems like manually repairing a component gives you another auto repair. Who knows if things will stay that way, but that's how it is for now. So that's two of the ways covered. Now the third and final way, of course, is to take your ship back to a landing pad, like at a hangar or main space station, and here you'll be able to press F2 from the pilot seat of your ship, open your mobiGlas, go to the Vehicles tab, and then use the Auto Repair button at the top of the list here to fully repair your ship. That will restore your ship's hull HP to full strength, and it will also fully repair any components on board your ship. So this third way is the most reliable way of fully repairing everything, but sometimes it's not possible. You might be out on the field, out in space somewhere, in which case you'll want to make use of the Auto Repair or the Cambio Repair Tool options. So yeah, that's pretty much how to repair your components in Star Citizen. Quite complex, but I hope that helped. If you like this video and you're interested in the game, please consider using my referral code, which you can see on the screen right now. If you use that when signing up for a new Star Citizen account, you're going to get a bonus of 50,000 credits. Thanks for watching, guys.